Hi guys, welcome back, and today we're doing something very, very different. My video producer is going to be drawing a picture of me. So yeah, basically that's it. So I'll see you when she starts drawing.
So starting off, we're going to draw the head. And then we draw the other feet. And then the body. And then the tail. That looks like a dog tail. Cat tail. Okay, now it's time to do the ears. And then the eyes. And then the mouth. And then the little sketches inside the eyes. And then some eyelashes. Then inner ear. And her fur design. And her paws. And yeah, so basically that's the end of the drawing part. Now for the coloring. So we're ready with the coloring. So you're going to need cotton candy. These are cotton candy. And canary, I don't know. You're going to need just any yellow and any pink. Just not a dark pink. If you use dark pink, it will look weird. So starting off with the pink, we just color it in basically. Actually, that's a little bit too light. You know, I'll just change it. So you might want to get a different crayon, like a darker pink. You might just want to color wild strawberry would be the perfect color. You don't have to have wild strawberry like the exact color, but you can just use yellow and pink. That works as well. It's not really dark, but actually you might want to use just normal pink, not dark pink, but normal light pink. So just color this in. Just keep coloring till you're done. So, color this ear. And then you're going to color the rest yellow except the tail right here. Color that in. And then if you want the perfect colors, you're going to need this butter yellow shade. Color the whole thing. This is going to take a while, so it's going to take a while. I really wish I didn't have to do this, but I do. See, pinky. Should have made our heads so big. Now on to the body. which you use those areas, go in with your cotton candy, and you can add the details. So the cotton candy would be for the ear, because you want a different shade of pink when you do the ear, so that way you can see that the inner ear exists. And you could give her some pink cheeks, if you wanted. You don't completely have to give her pink cheeks. Now, go ahead and get a crayon, a black crayon or a black marker. I prefer crayon because, well, I just do, and also because you don't want to make, like, if you used a permanent marker or a washable marker and you made a mistake, your mistake would be permanent forever. So, this is really difficult though, just getting these edges. Actually, I might actually use black because, just like a black permanent marker, because this is really not working. So yes, I will use a black permanent marker. So if you have sharp crayons, you can use crayons. But if you have dull crayons, and I have dull black marker as well, so you're going to need just to get a marker that's not dried out. That's the only kind of marker you're going to need. So, since you have a marker for dry erase marker, I would not recommend using this on paper. It can make the dry erase marker dry out really quickly, but you could still use it. Oh, that's so much more bold. Now you can
Go back in with pencil to darken up the eyelashes, to make them, really make them pop. And there you go. You got yourself a picture of